Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Quora to drive traffic. Alright, so this video will be the last video that you'll ever have to watch when it's dealing anything when it comes to Quora, because I'm going to break it down to you in the most simplest way that I can. Alright, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so let's get into it. Today, we're talking about Quora. Now, I want to show you how powerful this website is. If you're not already using it, you should, hands down, I recommend that you get on Quora today. Okay, now, what you want to look at is, you guys know I'm all about the results. So what I want to show you is the potential of visitors that you could possibly have to your website coming in every single month. All right. So here we go. You see this right here? This is the eyeball symbol. So if I highlight that for you, you can see that's 15,700 eyes that have saw me answering other people's questions and me also sending people over to my YouTube channel, because I believe in value first, then rather than trying to sell somebody right off the bat. You know what I mean? So what I did is I basically, anytime what I would do is I would look for the popular questions that are on Quora, right? And then I'll also do questions that I see people that are starting to kind of ramp up a little bit. I see a lot of people engaging with it. I'll go to those questions and I'll answer it. They don't really have to be the big questions that get all the traffic, but they can even be the smaller ones, especially if you have that in expertise in whatever that is, right? All right, so you can see this right here. This month alone, just under 2,000 views to the questions that I've answered, which I also have my videos and all my other stuff inputted into. All right, so that's the potential. Now, there are people who get thousands and thousands more views than that, but of course you would have to answer more questions. All right, so let's get into a little bit about Quora and just kind of, I'm not going to walk through everything, but I want you to understand what's important on here. All right, so you see these right here over here on the left side. These are the different, I would just go ahead and just say niches, but those are the different, your different interests. What do you want to see in your Quora newsfeed? So let me show you what I mean. All right, so focusing and concentrating. This is one of the ones that I chose to be in, right? So I can answer some questions in here, because that's really all Quora is you're answering questions. But I like what they've done recently, which a lot of platforms are doing, because it's the smartest thing that they can do. They added video to it, guys. Video. So now you can answer somebody's question in the video. Now they see who you are, right? And now they get used to, if you're doing that consistently, they get used to seeing you, and it's like they eventually will become followers of you on other platforms. All right? So that's pretty cool. Now, focusing and concentrating. So basically, based on whatever these are over here, based on the topics that you want to see, those are going to pop up in your news feed. So let me go back to the home. Give me a sec. The home timeline. All right. So as you can see, Gordon Miller, this guy right here, he has a huge following on Quora, and he's been answering questions for a long time. He gets a lot of traffic. Right, so if I were to go to his page, let's just see how many views he got this month. Now look at that, guys. 1.9 million answer views this month. Now imagine if he had any links going out to his content or wherever he is or over the internet. Guys, the traffic on here is bananas, right? So never let anybody tell you that Quora doesn't give you traffic or it doesn't work. Guys, it works, right? And I'm going to show you an example of what I mean. It works. You just got to provide value, okay? All right, so I just want to show you the potential of what you can do on this platform. So let me go ahead and close out of his profile. So if you look down, let's keep going down, right? This is in the becoming successful. So that's that topic. This is in videos. Let's see if that's over there. Give me a sec. Let's see another category. Not really seeing those categories right now. Hold up. YouTube views. All right, so let's check it out. Let's check it out. It should be a YouTube views category. Let me just go to my profile. That'll make it a lot easier. Okay, so over here, right, you see this says topics. I have over 113 topics that I want to be showing in my news feed on Quora. And the more I see these, that's just going to give me ideas, right? I can literally take someone's question and then create a YouTube video and then create that video and then come back to Quora, share that to a person who's answered a question, but make sure I use Quora for what it is. So if Quora is a question and answer, I'm not just going to come back and put my YouTube video and nothing else, right? I want to put words, right? And I'm going to show you what I did. And I actually got somebody to go over and look at my YouTube video. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so I'm going to go back to my feed. And I'm going to just use Control Find because, okay, so here we go. Give me a sec. Morning review. Okay, so it's not showing up right now, but give me just a second here. I don't know why it's not showing up. Morning review or review. I know it's something like that. Review. That's weird. I guess my Control Find is not working for me right now. I guess it's not working. Let's do Control Find again, and we're going to do morning, and my Control Find is just not working. So let me just scroll down and see if I can find the post for you guys, because for some reason, okay, so here we go right here. Someone said, my friend and I run a YouTube channel called The Morning Review. It's not getting any subs anymore, and I think we are doing it mostly right. What are we doing wrong? So what did Rakeem Madison do? I literally said, let's try to solve this person's problem. So what did I do? I went to their YouTube channel, him and his friends, right? So let me actually open this up as best I can. So I'll hit more. Now, what I did after I went to his YouTube channel and I looked at it, I observed it, right? I have the expertise when it comes to YouTube. So I said, okay, I see I went to their channel and I was like, I see what they're trying to do, right? But it's not really working because they're all over the place. So I came back and I provided value right here. I said, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I said, so I took a look at over you guys' channel and here are the things I noticed, right? And then I went over the things. Your channel is about reviews. I understand that, but it's not targeted to which type of reviews that they are, right? Because he had one about M&Ms, and then he had one about Pokemon, right? So he just had all these different reviews on all this different stuff, and that's why the channel wasn't growing anymore, right? And then I gave him some more value about some other things that I seen that he should be doing. So the last thing I stated was keyword research is going to be very vital to a review type channel. Because if you're just doing reviews about things nobody cares about, that no one is searching about, then your channel is not going to grow anymore. All right. So what I do, I said, here is a video where I show my exact strategy on how to do keyword research for YouTube. So what did I do? Value first, using the platform for what it is through words, and then I link over my YouTube video. Now, I said, hope you get value, and if you do, be sure to subscribe. I share more information like that all the time. Now, I got 2 upvotes. Now, think of an upvote like somebody hitting the like button on Facebook or somebody hitting the retweet button on Twitter, right? Same kind of concept. That just means that they like it. So I got 2 upvotes and over 162 views. Now, view the upvoter. So Ryan May is the person who asked this question in the first place. So he upvoted it. So that means that I gave him value because I shared with him feedback, and then I sent him over to a video, and someone else upvoted it as well, which is pretty cool. Now check this out. I'm going to hit the play button, right? And it's going to play right here on this platform. All right, now I'm going to click over to YouTube. Now remember, the page's name was Morning Review. Now, I'm going to click over to YouTube, and I'm going to show you that this person actually went over to my YouTube channel and watched it.
45 seconds, and
all right, so I'll go ahead and pause that. Now, this is my video, right? You can see it has 1,244 views and 116 likes. Now, look, check this out, guys. All right, the morning review. Thanks, great vid. So that person literally went from Quora right over to my video, watched it, came back over to Quora, and gave me an upvote because I provided value. So, guys, I know you guys hear me say that V word a lot. I say value because in everything that you do, you have to start with value first and lead into recommending something. Notice I didn't say sell. Value, recommend. All right? All right, so guys, I mean, if I'm honest, that is the basis of Quora. You're literally going to be answering questions, and in my recommendation is if you really want to do this, but you don't really want to be the one doing like really spending all your time, learn how to answer your questions, create your own format of doing it, and then hire somebody like on Upwork or on Fiverr, right? And just pay them to do it for you, so that way you'll be building your traffic. You'll be getting 1,000 eyes every month, or 2,000, or 3,000, or as you saw, 1.9 million eyes per month watching you. Okay? So hopefully you got some value from this, guys. I wanted to share this with you because I believe that this platform is crazy. Like it's crazy the amount of traffic that you can get. And guys, I did this for a straight 90 days, and literally that's how I'm now at the point where I'm getting at least a little under 2,000 views per month, right? And then I kind of just slowed down. So what you should do right now is to set an intention for the next 90 days, right? I know I did a video on this, and I talked about doing a 90-day challenge, and I see somebody took advantage of it. But I want, since it's a new year, let's start it again. 90 days of doing straight answers, answering people's questions and providing value. This is not to really sell people, right? So don't send them your affiliate link, because Quora is a little bit finicky sometimes with those affiliate links. They'll kind of put your post, almost delete your post, and you don't want to do that, right? You want to provide value first, you know, build up your YouTube channel, or send those people over to your Facebook page or whatever, right? So set that intention right now. 90 days, you're going to answer questions, provide value, build your audience, and by providing value, those people will eventually want to follow you. Okay? So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, smash that subscribe button, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace!